Taking a look at the post FOMC trades, tick count trend 2 is really doing well today. Had a long trade early, hit its profit target on the news, and then we had 3 shorts in a row that hit their profit targets, and then it's on a short trade right now, and so we'll see how this one ends up. About 12 minutes to the close, probably end up around break even to losing on that trade, but still a good day. I like to have a strategy that can trade this kind of price action. It's hard to trade a trend, and so this counter trend strategy works well in this price action on FOMC day. Let's take a look at also Gold Flash. We've talked about Gold Flash recently, and got in here on this dip, and it was a nice entry. If you want to trade gold on news events, Gold Flash is one to trade. And SR counter trend E-mini Nasdaq was down on the day. Cobra Euro, nice trade today as it went through a drawdown and is recovering from that drawdown. And so those are the trades today. Let's look at the market depth. What happened there? We called that in advance. We said that the market would be primed to rally, and it flashed out the lows. You see this quick flash of the lows. That'll happen sometimes. That's why you have to have a stop below the low, or another option is to get in at the low. The only problem with that is if it immediately takes off. So if the news event is released here and your limit order is down here, and it takes off, you miss that trade. But if you get in right here, you'll have to have a bigger stop loss in case it has a flash low like that. But it only went about 4 points below its low. The low is 29.19 there. Went down to 29.15. Went down to 29.15.25. So you need a 4-point stop loss below the low here, and the market is determined to go higher. It's determined to make new highs, and so even though the Fed disappointed the market, did not raise rate, did not signal any future rate cuts, that this market just wants to take out those highs, and so that's where it's headed right now. We'll see how that turns out the rest of this week.